according to Tim O'Reilly, who helped coin the phrase Web 2, offers his definition. Web 1 was about connecting computers and making technology more efficient for computers. Web 2 is about connecting people and making technology more efficient for people. Web 2 creates new ways for large groups of people to collaborate and exchange information, while reducing the importance of the computer itself as an information delivery platform. In brief, yes, it doesn't matter which computer you use or where it is. Web 2 tools encourage free exchange of information and ideas between different tools and groups of users. Lastly, because it encourages large-scale collaboration, Web 2 facilitates new forms of problem solving that can provide educators with valuable ideas and insights. Tools of this generation are many and come in variety of forms. For instance, bookmarking like Diego, site you like, villages, and the other form we have wikis, blogs, and voice threads which provide collaboration. Also, social networking. We have Facebook, Twitter, Orkut, MySpace, Friendster. And finally, we have the virtual worlds like Rocketon, Gig Online, Google Lively, Second Life. This is the Web 2 platform. The philosophy we have: trust, reputation, honesty, and in model we have some features like simplicity, usability, participation, and in delivery we have some tools like blogs, wikis, RSS, and the technology that use we have HTML, XML, RDF, and HTTP. According to Berger and Drexler, there are 2 reasons to use Web 2 tools in education: motivate and involve students in learning by using tools that many are already using for personal purposes. Align with the American Association of School Librarians standards for the 21st Century Learner and International Society for Technology in Education. Prepare students with authentic skills for working in the real world. Encourage collaborative learning strategies. Support learning as a social process. Allow for interactive learning. Provide students with authentic audience. Are free and fun to use. Provide an anytime, anywhere learning environment. And finally, connect students to a global community of learners. The Pew Research Center's Internet and American Life project reported that many bloggers blog to document their experiences and share them with other bloggers. The rate reached 76%. 64% of bloggers said that the reason for blogging is to share knowledge and skills with others. Albert reports that in education field, blogs and RSS were the first real steps that were taken and used in the field from the Web 2 world. Also, Simpson said, blogging gives anyone an opportunity to publish on the internet. Blogs is a great tool for learners to give feedback about the class, content, and announce activities. Podcasting technology was introduced by Apple. provides recording and storing for content as an audio and or video on the internet network for audience. And nowadays, the professors are searching for a suitable way like podcasting to provide or give lectures from a distance to their students for online classes. Floor also states that podcast-based distance learning projects have many parts. The first part is the management subsystem. Second one is the production subsystem. The third one is the field coordination subsystem. The fourth one is the evaluation subsystem. The last part is the engaging subsystem. All these parts have points for participation, but its degree is different from one part to another. Solomon and Scrum mentioned that the learners can make their podcast to share their opinions, thoughts, and ideas. Moreover, these students can use podcasts to keep their notes, to comment on the lesson of the day, and to keep stick with the project activities and exercise while they are working. Simons shows that using a wiki is considered a good tool to cooperate online when the students are writing their assignments and in group activities collecting information in online resources. Both Lamb and Johnson state that wikis can offer and provide students thinking process in making collaborative research. Both Lamb and Johnson state that wikis can offer and provide students thinking process in making collaborative research. Wikis can enable students and researchers to share their data and information online. It also helps in solving problems and in sharing their understanding to reach to a conclusion or a solution for a certain point. The resources help to guide the students to use electronic portfolio file to collect and organize electronic resources and also to use journals which are dynamic. They can collect notebooks to arrange notes, thoughts, and ideas. By benefiting from wikis, both Solomon and Scrum stated that can help learners to work at a distance. They can contribute on their knowledge rather than to be restricted to school day. Experts point to Web2 as an umbrella that provides interaction, collaboration, and tools of knowledge managing, exchanging, and sharing. Web2 also has these features: rich user interfaces, data super transform magicability, user on the point, continuous improvement, and harnessing collective intelligence. From the previous citations, we can describe blog as an interactive interface and powerful tools as a tool of Web2, which contributes in enriching informational content, especially in exchanging experience and knowledge from a distance. I believe that podcasting is a powerful tool in education. I have developed and enhanced my English language from BBC, which broadcasts variety programs on their radios on its website. Wikis open many windows on the knowledge world and create such a creative, collaborative environment and give a great opportunity to gain knowledge at a distance.